The reason why we are doing this in Kiharu today, it is because I believe and I know 100% that Kenya is capable of providing free basic education to all learners in Kenya, and especially starting with senior secondary schools. Na mimi nauliza wale tuko nao katika bunge, na pia our brothers and sisters, the governors, we must now bite the bullet. Na mimi, my proposal is as follows. Tunahitaji around 30 billion shillings to make all our day schools totally free, including paying for the lunch program as government. Na mimi na propose CDF tutoe bilioni 10 katika ile budget tuko nayo ya 58 billion shillings. County government from the 400 billion they have as equitable share, pia wao watoe 10 billion. Na national government watoe 10 billion. We form a kitty ambayo tunaweza ita even day secondary school kitty. That money is enough to make basic education in Kenya free and totally free, bila mtu kulipa kitu yoyote. And my proposal is that we should not postpone. We must not make basic education a campaign tool anymore. We have the capacity to make it totally free. Not next year, actually next term. It is possible. Na ya mwisho, I continue to kushukuru wa Kenya wote. Serikali walikuwa wamejipanga kuongeza school fees last year. Tukawaambia haiwezekani. Wakafikiria ni mchezo. Na tukawaambia haiwezekani, na tukaongea kwa sauti ya juu. Na wakatoa circular ya kujaribu kuhepa hiyo maneno. But even the money they sent e-learning institutions can only barely cover the debts of the year 2025. The 26 billion they sent, if you deduct the debts of over 22.5 billion Kenya shillings, the remainder of 3.5 billion is only 109 shillings per learner in the first term. Now, mimi, I'm not talking so that they respond. I am talking so that they save money. Nataka niambie wizara ya elimu na wakuu wote wa serikali, kama hamutakuwa mumetuma capitation yote ya first term, including ya grade 10, tukienda mid term ya this term, serikali mjue ya kwamba wazazi wa Kenya ndio wataenda kusomea hizo shule mpaka mtume hiyo pesa. And let no one in government any other time dream or even imagine of increasing fees, and especially for day school learners in Kenya. Let them never imagine or even think or try, because we cannot allow any leader to destroy, to annihilate the free basic education that was brought to us by President Mwai Kibaki.